Goa's environment, of course, limitations are there. So, for the development of human beings in the entire world, innovations are there, no devices are there, agricultural operation also different things are there. So, you see, now classic example of that agricultural operation is Israel. Israel's agricultural operation is adopted by almost all countries in the world now, because you be so barren land and other difficult atmosphere was there. But they proved themselves that there is a wonderful thing in the advancement in agriculture. So suppose that agriculture development is there, green revolution and all other things are there. So can we send person that ecocentric approach based on agriculture and other things, the old system? So we will have to adopt that. We are forced for that. Our green revolution also, new types of things we adopted. So our traditions, so Anobhadra Kradavo and the Vichandaga. Let noble thoughts come from everywhere. We are prepared to receive it. So that concept is there. At the same time, from time immemorial, there is a tradition for our country, history for our country, and dharma is a basis. So both may be taken into consideration equally, or that without contradicting, we will have to go that. That is, I think, in Goa that is going on. But my mindset of the people,